My name is Aomosu from Third Eye TV. Can we meet you, please?
Yes, my name is Sharon.
Sheung. All right. We are asking questions based on Yoruba culture and tradition, how much you know about it. So we have 12 questions on board. You are supposed to answer 3. Pick anyone at random.
Number 3.
Number 3. Number 3 says, what comes to your mind when you hear Ebo?
Sacrifice.
Sacrifice. Okay.
Yes.
That's all you know about it.
Yeah, Ebo is sacrifice. We are all very shit too. All very so like maybe they want all very fear and pada. Maybe there's a problem in a town or they are going through calamity. They're like Ejeka Gbebo. So the gods will appeal our
To appease the gods and kill ìrọ̀rùn lè dé.
Yes.
Àṣẹ ẹ̀dúpẹ́. Question ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì.
Number 6.
Number 6. Number 6 says, what comes to your mind when you hear Ogboni?
Ogboni. That word Ogboni, it's like Ogboni is, let me say, it's for all this group, all this man that is in a community. We are all called that club concealer, all those kind. You know that club. They say people that is in Ogboni club, àwọn ayé gbà yẹn.
Àwọn ó jẹ́ ibi tí àwọn àgbààgbà ti máa ń tòlú.
Yes.
Tafẹ́ fàyọ̀ ń bẹ̀ náà nìyẹn. Táwọn wa ti ń tòlú. Wọ́n ti ń jẹ́ kí ìlú tòrò ní àwọn Ogboni.
In that club, yes, àwọn men lọ́wọ́ náà.
Ẹ ṣe. Question ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹta.
Number 7.
Number 7. Number 7 ní ibo ni orírun àwa Yorùbá?
Orírun àwa Yorùbá. That's the origin.
The origin, yes.
Wọ́n ní Odùduwà. Odùduwà.
Odùduwà yẹn ibo ló ti wá? Ibi tóun ti wá yẹn gangan ni orírun. Ibo ni?
Odùduwà. Ilé Ifẹ̀.
Ilé Ifẹ̀. Ifẹ̀ ò dáyé. Ifẹ̀ ò dáyé bí ojúmọ́ ti ń mọ́ wá. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹ gbà á. Inú mi dùn pé ẹ wá sórí ètò wa Third Eye TV. Àti kọ́ra lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ẹ ti mọ gbogbo ohun tó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ mọ̀. So a fún yín ní owó kékeré yìí láti fi ra íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì kẹ́ ẹ fi máa surf online fáwọn information pa ọ̀rọ̀ àṣà wa àti ìṣe ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ó lè yé wa yékéyéké. Ẹ ṣé gan. Thank you for coming. Ẹ ṣé o.